Hey folks, Mac T here, and today we're going to turn Herbie into a roller. That's right, we're going to take him off the jack stands after we go ahead and do this. We have the Moog steering knuckle assembly here. Already got a Moog tie rod end, outer tie rod end on there. We're going to mount the steering knuckle on, bolt her up a little bit on the, just snug it up, just enough to make sure nothing breaks loose, and then we're going to hook it up so we can steer it. And then we're going to drop it down after we put the tires on it so we can turn Herbie into a roller. And we got the same thing that we're doing over on his side. That's right. Got the bolt right there and for the steering knuckle and the ball joint. And then we got the nuts for the tie rod ends. We'll put them in there just tight enough to make sure nothing falls apart while we're moving it. And we're going to drop these jack stands. That's right, we're going to spin Herbie around so the back end is facing up front, and we're going to work on the rear end suspension and everything else that we need to. We're going to start working on a PTU, not PTU, but an RDU, and we're going to take and change the fluid in that and inspect it to make sure everything's good there, and then go from there. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and get these put on there. All right, got everything installed, tie rod ends, Zerk fittings, all that good stuff on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and put the tires on. Check that out, how pretty that looks. Holy cow.
Get down here and look. Sequence up the.
Look at that. Look how clean that looks.
Everything's new.
There we go. So we're going to put some wheels on her, and then we're going to maneuver her or him around and move him over closer here to us and then up forward so we can start working on the rear end a little bit and maybe some engine stuff later on. Alright, turning Herbie into a roller. There we go. Nothing creaked, nothing cracked. Tires are moderately straight for guesstimation purposes.
Sets up pretty high in the front though.
Yeah, it is a little high.
Almost like it's 1,000 pounds light.
Look at that clearance right here, folks. This is a four-wheel drive. Oh, Herbie's into a four-wheel drive. Holy cow, check that out. Look how tall he sits. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and move him. Alrighty. We're going to turn his rear end this way, right?
Yeah.
Is the brake on?
Is it on?
Yeah. There.
Oh, dry shaft. It's okay.
It's spinning?
It's
Hold it.
raise the garage door yet? Give us a little,
Yeah.
a few more feet.
That'll give us a few more feet. I thought that darn RDU would not be locked. Apparently it's locked.
Yeah.
Okay,
You're good?
back this way.
Yeah.
How close over do we want to be?
Oh, we just go over that way a couple of feet. That'd be fine, wouldn't it?
Straighten it up.
Just so you have enough to walk by.
Yeah, there's enough room to walk by here. We want to put it up. Tell, where do you want it to stop?
Oh, there's plenty of room over here now.
Yeah, but up front. Is that where we want it? Let's see.
I just straighten the wheels, we'll just go back maybe 4. That's good. Right
there?
Yeah.
Emergency brake on. Put it parked. Well, we gotta jack it up, but. You want me to turn the ignition off?
Probably. It's hard on the points to leave those on.
You think? Well, that gives you more room over here.
Yeah.
Give you a lot more room.
Yeah.
Now we can jack up the rear end.
Now I can do some of this stuff.
Yeah. Well, these are no good anymore.
No. What's that about my other boxes there? I'll take those to the truck later. You got everything out of there?
Yeah. I took the wheel. I took the axle nuts and put them on the shelf.
Okay. There's a couple of pins on the floor. Otherwise,
What do we want to do with these?
I don't know. What's going to put them? I don't forget them.
Give me the bag for the moves. The whole box.
This?
No, what I was going to do is put the pins in the box. You can't mess up if you got the box sitting there.
Good thing.
And these are shocks, aren't they?
That's your rears.
So, I'm going to do shocks to throw on there.
Normally those are the cause and they're OEM.
So, all we got to do is jack up the rear end now. Thing is, where do we want to jack it up at?
The rust, yeah, you have Rusty's jack point.
Oh, these jack points are a lot better shape.
I don't worry about that.
And we could put the jack right up underneath the center here, and the RDU is leaking.
Ah.
Freaking wet.
Oh no. Well, why wouldn't the last component that we haven't changed leak?
Well, we'll jack her up and see what we got, but these toe links look crappy.
Is that what you said you had extra of?
Yeah, I don't have the bolts for them, but I got the toe links. But I want to get some of this up and get the tires off and see what why he bought those parts that he did.
Yeah.
But right here under the subframe, we can put the jack stands.
Okay.
And that will hold everything up. So, we just gotta jack it up in the wood point on my side is really good shape. cup. Right where that air is.
Yeah. Yeah, about 8-10 inches in front of that one.
Oh,
But this was good here.
you up?
Yeah, how high off did you have the tire?
I have about, I don't know, 3 inches up. How high you up?
About 3 inches.
Let me see. We're the same. You're a little higher than me. My 3 inches is different than yours. There. I think we're about equal. Now we can slide the jacks underneath there.
Where are you going to put them?
I was thinking right here. Right on here. On this spot.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Or, I don't know if we want to put it this far in. That's my problem. I got mine so I can see the first notch.
Okay. I'm going to clean some crap out there before I slide this in there.
Yeah, it only. I could go up one more notch if we jack it up one more.
Yeah, whatever.
I'd like to go up so I have 2 notches showing.
Okay.
You just give us more room. It's dirty under here. Why is it dirty?
Oh, it's pushing all the way to the back over to the front.
Oh. Yeah, if I jack it up and see if I can get one more notch out of it, I think we'd be in pretty good shape. And this thing's rusty.
Okay, say when.
Go.
Go.
Keep
More.
going.
Okay.
Can't get it up yet, so set that off.
More.
More. There you go.
Okay, lower it.
Yep.
Okay, you're out of any way of hurt, aren't you?
Okay. Lower it.
Yeah, the wheel stops, so it's got to be.
Yeah.
I'll leave the jack on there.
Jack that one and I'll slide this one under.
Here goes that.
Hold on a second. One. A little further. A little further.
Up.
Up. Up. Up. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Let me.
Get out.
Yeah, I'm out. There you go.
Excellent.
We're on the ground. Now we can take the wheels off, see where we're at.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.